Let's start by washing and soaking half a cup of Tur Dal. While the dal soaks, finely chop 2 inches of ginger, 4 cloves of garlic, 1/4 cup of onions, and 1/4 cup of tomatoes. The written recipe with exact ingredients is available in the description below or at the end of the video. In a saucepan, take about 2 cups of water. Add to it the soaked Tur Dal along with 2 tablespoons of washed Moong Dal. Add in the chopped ginger and garlic, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and a large pinch of Hing. Season with salt. Using a spoon, remove the froth that forms as the dal boils. Boil the dal for 20 minutes on medium flame or till the dal begins to break down and set aside. In a bowl, take 2 tablespoons of water. Add to it 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, half a teaspoon of Red Chilli Powder, and half a teaspoon of Coriander Powder. Mix well and set aside. In a frying pan, take 1 tablespoon of ghee. Add to it 2 pieces of whole dried red chillies and half a teaspoon of jeera. Cook till the jeera stops popping. Add in 1/4 cup of chopped onions. Stir till the onion starts browning. Remove the dried red chillies and add in the ginger garlic mix. Mix and let it cook for a minute. Then add 1/4 cup of chopped tomatoes. Mix in and add some water from the boiled dal if required. Cook till the tomatoes begin to break down. Add in the boiled dal, adding water if required. Let it boil for 2 minutes. Add in chopped coriander leaves and mix. Serve topped with dried red chillies and a dollop of ghee. Let me know in the comments below if you tried this recipe and how it was. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button. For more such recipes, subscribe to the channel.